Right there guys, how you doing? Today I want to talk to you about how to get glue off of your balding noggin. I've only really started getting glue stuck on my balding noggin since I've been wearing a hair system. Yes, there were a few exceptions back when I was about 4 or 5 in little school. I used to get glue stuck in my head quite a lot actually, but mummy would sort it out back then. Now I'm 30 years old, it's my responsibility to sort out my gluey head. So I want to give you guys a few tips, a few ways of dealing with this problem that you're gonna encounter if you've got a hair system. It's just part and parcel of it, but it's a small price to pay a gluey bald noggin now and again to have a lovely fixed set of hair when you're wearing a hair system. So a little bit of advice for you. When you are cleaning the hair system and you take it off, make sure you clean the glue off your head straight away. Don't do what I've done before. Take the hair system off and think, well, I'll sort that out tomorrow, I'll just go to bed now. Because I woke up the next day and I went downstairs and I had breakfast. I thought something feels a bit weird, and the pillow was stuck to my head. It was just, I looked in the mirror and I was like, wow, I had work in 5 minutes and I had a pillow stuck to my head. You don't want to be going through that, guys. So a simple way of dealing with that is making sure as soon as you take the hair system off, just clean your head. And you're gonna need this stuff. It's called Amber for scalp hair system. There's other brands of it, but this stuff is what you need. And what you want to do, you see there's a big bit of glue or whatever on my head. You want to just spray this on, because what this does, this destroys the properties of the glue and makes life a lot easier cleaning it. I've tried to clean my head with not this before. I sat there for ages just picking at my head. Come on here, glue, get up. You don't want to be doing that. So what you want to do, just spray it on and let this stuff do its magic. You want to make sure it doesn't go in your eyes. Make sure it doesn't drip down your forehead. Like a fine wine, you want to let it mature and melt that glue on your head. So when it's sprayed on, go and watch Emmerdale Farm or something. I'm gonna go and do that now, so just wait there a sec. Wow, that was a heavy episode of Emmerdale, wasn't it? Wow, we'll talk about a heavy dispute over pig feed and when she got hit by that plough, Jesus. But I'm not here to talk about Emmerdale today. I'm here to talk about getting glue off the bald head. And as you can see, I've let that soak in and it's done its magic. Now what you want to do is, ideally you'd want to get some cotton wool, but being me, as in this is hair systems for dummies, I forgot to get cotton wool, and it's not like I can just nip down the shop now when I've got this stuff dripping down my head and I look like a monk from the 1600s. So I'm going to have to just improvise, and I've got some just basic toilet roll. I'm just gonna get the worst of the glue off, and you can really feel it coming off. It's nice and easy. There you go. And then I've got a towel, an old towel that, you know, I don't know, it's got some dodgy little teddy bears on there. Probably had it since I was a little boy. And I'm just gonna give it a go like that. And now I can still feel some glue in there. So all I've got to do is just repeat the process. So this time I'm going to watch Coronation Street. It's got nothing on Emmerdale, but I'll spray it on where you can still feel the glue. And then I'll just go and watch Coronation Street. One sec. I would never have guessed that Gary was sleeping with Barry, but I don't want to talk about that now. I want to talk about my balding head. So what are you guys thinking? Do you think this is too much work for you to have a hair system? Don't let it put you off. It's not that much. Just do it in between soaps. And you only have to do this once every 2 to 3 weeks, and you just get used to it. It's just part of life now, and it's worth it, honestly. I wouldn't just say that. So now I want to go and have another shower. I'm gonna shampoo everything. Anyway, thanks guys for watching. Any questions for me, just leave them in the comments, and I'll use my limited degree of intelligence to answer them. See you later guys.
Hey guys, thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe below, and have a good look round our website at hairforall.com.